Hello guys and girls, and welcome back to You Have Control. 'Twas the night before Christmas. Half the country are in lockdown, and the Tier 2 gang, well, what's left of us, are here at Lasham to enjoy our final flights of the year.
It was the lights before Christmas. All around the airfield, the whole damn airfield. It was quiet, wasn't it?
Shut up, George. Tell us what we're going to do today.
Scary things.
Oh. Say something inspirational to the camera. Oh. Today, Jordan and I are going to look into aerotows. And what you are witnessing here is my first attempt of an aerotow with the Jordan himself.
Nice and smooth. So why do we box the toe, Jordan?
To show precision on tow.
Is that it?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. It just shows you can put the glider where you want to behind the tow.
Didn't go too badly, but unfortunately at the top we did get a little bored.
Right, I'm going to go and have a look at the grass.
Are you filling the water ballast?
Yeah.
The Falk is a motor glider which uses a Rotax. They use this at Lasham to practice all the failures which can occur during an aerotow. Jordan wanted to demonstrate to me the different failures which can occur, and then it was my turn to sort things out. So please sit back and enjoy this next section of video.
don't turn around. The wind's too strong for it. I think the tail will come quite the other. Okay, Ben. We're gonna keep getting a little bit. Let's land on this one, isn't it? Or will he do? Can he do? No crap.
In aviation, we sure love our famous sayings. And there is a famous saying which is, you are as good as your last landing. Well, that landing that I just did, that was